Hey guys, it's Lori Ballen here in Las Vegas, and we have a really cool um, tool with our new agent websites with KW Command that we can use for marketing ads or for social posts, things like that. What we have is recently reduced listings. So this is a cool option that we have in Command. And as you can see here, I'll make this a little bit larger. On each one of these, you can see that the price of the home is reduced in the last 7 days. This one by $6,000. This one by $250. This one by $7,000. This one by $10,000. So everybody wants a deal, and one great way to generate leads is by showing people homes that were just reduced. Obviously, this can be an indicator of motivation. Look at this one, was 435. 430. They dropped it by 30,000. Okay, so here's what we do. Let's just say we're going to run a Facebook ad. So I'm going to go over here to Command, and I'm going to go down to campaigns. I actually have one running like this right now, so we will do a similar one. So we're going to go to create a new campaign, social ad, and we are going to save a name. Now, now that I'm thinking about it, let's just do Green Valley. Okay, Green Valley just reduced. All right, we are going to do a lead form ad. So let's do attract buyers, and we want to run this on Facebook, set up campaign. Now I'm moving fast because this is so easy, and it is fast. So you can pause me if you want to follow the steps. I don't need a listing selected. So now we go to the ad text, main copy, and headline, which is going to show up here. Description, which will show up here. Main copy shows up here. So must see just reduced homes for sale in Green Valley. All were reduced in the past week. Okay, something like that. Instant access to list. I'm trying to think of what else I might put in here because I was playing with something earlier today. All homes on a map with price and pics. Okay, and then we're going to learn more. We're going to leave that as is. Add media. Click configure. So a single image, select media for this campaign. Now you can add images here. You can add videos here. You can choose an image. So add image. Now I created a just reduced image in designs. So I will just go ahead and grab that. Hold on, where did I put it? Right here, just reduced. And I'm going to click preview image, just reduced, save image. So I made that in design, super easy, super fast, no problems. Facebook ad, configure. So now I have to choose my business page is Lori Ballen, Team Las Vegas. So once you have your Facebook integrated set up, that's super easy. What do I want to use? A lead generation form, or do I want to send them to a site or landing page? I want to use a form. Now let me tell you what happens on the forms. As soon as somebody clicks on the lead, their info is automatically populated into the lead form. If they don't change anything before they hit the submit button, it's whatever's on their profile. So if they've got an old AOL email on there or something, that's what you're going to get. If they have an old phone number or no phone number, if they have whatever it is, that's what you're going to get. Now they do have the option though to change any of the info on the form. So they can if they want to. They click submit, they get a privacy disclosure, they click it again, and then they go to your URL, which is that page that we're going to send them to. So how you create that page, let me just show you that really quick, is right up here, type in whatever neighborhood you want to send them to. I'm going to send them to Green Valley. Oh, maybe I'm not. Okay, hold on. Let me try Henderson, Nevada. All right, just reduced in the last 10 days. Oh, wow, there's Henderson. Nice. Okay. I thought for sure Green Valley was a neighborhood on here. So remember, you are at the mercy of whatever neighborhoods are actually in here. Yep. Okay, that one's popping up, but no Green Valley, huh? All right, I'm going to change this to Henderson, Nevada. We'll run it in Henderson. Okay. I'm in Las Vegas. Henderson is just a neighborhood away. We service that area too. So I'm going to change this to must see. Let's go to the access. Reduced homes for sale in Henderson, Nevada. All were reduced in the last week. Now, guys, here's how we do this. We go to Henderson, Nevada, and then you click More and make sure that Price Reduced toggle is on. Okay? Now, if you wanted to run a list of open houses, you could run the same ad and put open houses only. And now it'll only show you homes that are listed with an open house. Or you could do homes with keywords, or you could do homes that are built in a certain year. You could do single family, 3 bedrooms. So these are all different types of ads you could run. You could run see all 4-bedroom homes in Henderson with a pool. And you can do that all through these filters here. Okay. Property type. Maybe I want to run one for condos. But condos in Summerlin that were just reduced in the last week. I mean, you can get really specific with all this if you wanted to. So in our case, this list of open houses is really cool too. But let's go ahead and just go back to more, and we're not going to do open houses. We're going to do price reduced. See that? And then they change right there. And then they have the option to sort by recently updated, price, days on market, that type of thing here. And again, you can use all of these to run your ads. Now, you need this URL up here to work. If you have masked your domain, you need to be able to access that URL up there. You might be able to do it. No, I can't do it with the right click. Inspect. I just wanted to see if you could still get to that URL from that way. All right, I'm not going to go into that much technical. If you have your URL masked, this might be challenging. This is why I don't suggest masking a URL. You want that long URL up there, okay? So price reduced equals true. That's all I need. Now, let me just make sure that that URL works. I'm going to pop this open in a new incognito window, paste the URL. I grabbed it wrong. That's why I always double check that. Price reduced equals true URL. Let me make sure that opens. Yep, beautiful. Okay, we go back here. So must receive instant access to list. What happened to our description there? All homes on a map with price and pics. Save ad text. Okay. Add media, phone number, Facebook ad. We already did this one. Okay. So Facebook lead form. Now, what do you want your button right here to be? Learn more, sign up, apply now. They're not giving us all the button options that Facebook has. So we'll just leave that as learn more. And then follow up destination URL. Where do you want them to go after they register? Now, you could go to choose site, and I could choose my about page, new listing page, listing landing page. So if I've created a specific landing page for that, I can, or a market snap. But in this particular case, we want that list of homes. So we're going to do that one. Okay, ad targeting. So target a custom audience. We will say everybody that is in Henderson, Nevada, and within how far outside of Henderson, Nevada. It'll only let me go 15 is the minimum, so we'll leave that there. And then an add or change interest. Well, we can choose people that like Zillow, or we could choose people that are renting. You know, people that have selected renting as an option. We can choose people that have looked at mortgages, okay? Or we could just leave nothing. So in this, and the other one I've got running people that like Zillow, and this one I'm going to run nothing. Just kind of, let's just see what happens. Okay. Ad content. Your ad content has been optimized, automatically populated based on the listing text and media you selected above. You can customize your ad content for Facebook ads if you choose. That's interesting. Single image. Okay, it all looks the same to me. Okay, duration and budget. I'm going to run $30 and I'm going to run this for 10 days, just like I did the other one.